Namaste, Bhai Viniharo. I hope all of you are good today. Okay, I'm going to teach you how to form a sentence. You'd asked me to teach you about the formation of a sentence, so you will learn today how to form a sentence. Okay, there are many structures in which you can make many sentences. So some of the structures I'm going to teach you today. Okay, they are very basics. So they are subject plus verb. Okay, and subject plus verb plus object, subject plus verb plus noun, subject plus verb plus adjective, and subject plus verb plus adverb. So today you will learn these structures. Okay, according to these structures, you can make many sentences. So you will learn to form sentences on these structures, right? Okay. First, let's learn subject plus verb. According to these structures, subject plus verb. Okay, as subject, you can use either nouns or pronouns. For example, here Ram, as nouns Ram, Hari, John, Lakshmi, Sam, etc. And as pronouns, you can use here he, she, they, we, you, and I. Okay, according to these structures, there are sentences here. They are she plays, they go, they learn, I came, she went, he goes, her sleeps, Rita laughs. Okay, so here as subjects, she, they, I, hurry, Rita. Okay, as verbs, plays, go, learn, came, went, go, sleeps, laughs. So verbs can be used as singular or plural according to the subjects, and verbs can be used in different tenses. For example, here she sings, present tense, she sang, past tense, and she will sing future. Okay, they walk, they walked, and they will walk. So verbs can be used in any tenses. Okay, so subject plus verb. In these structures, you can make many more sentences. Okay, so verbs can be transitive verb, intransitive verb, singular verb, and plural verb. So you will learn about transitive verb and intransitive verb in coming session. Okay. Okay. Here another structure is subject plus verb plus object. Okay. According to this structure, the sentences are: he reads a book, they learn English, we play football, Rita cooks rice, she is learning French language, farmers grow rice. Okay, here he reads a book, he is the subject, reads is the verb, and a book is object. To find out objects, to know objects, just ask the questions with what. For example, what does he do? He reads a book. Or what does he read? He reads a book. So a book is the object. They learn English. What do they learn? English is the answer. So English is object. Okay. We play football. What do we play? Football is the answer. So football is the object, right? Rita cooks rice. What does Rita cook? Rita cooks rice. Rice is the answer. So rice is object, right? She is learning French language. What is she learning? Answer is French language. So French language is object. Farmers grow rice here. What do farmers grow? Answer is rice. So rice is object. So in this structure, you can make many sentences. Okay. Okay. Another structure is here. Subject plus verb plus noun. Subject, uh, she, he, Ram, Sam, etc. And verb means here present tense. In present tense is MR, and past tense was where, and future will be shall. Okay, noun, So she is a student is a noun here. They are thieves, okay, thieves are noun. And we are doctors, okay. I'm a farmer, she is a nurse, and he was a student. John is a teacher. So teacher, student, nurse, farmer, doctors, thieves, they are noun. And each are, okay, was, they are verb, and She, they, we, he, John are subject. Okay, so you can try to make many sentences of your ones on these structures. Okay, another structure is here subject, verb plus adjective. Okay, in this structure also we can make many sentences. For example, Ramita is clever, Hari is happy, uh, she is angry. Okay, they are greedy, we are smart, I'm tired, he was afraid. So happy, angry, greedy, they are adjective. Is adjective tell something about noun. Okay, Hari is happy. So happy is an adjective and it tells about Hari. Okay, so this is adjective. You will learn later separately about adjective. Okay, just now try to make sentence in this structure: subject, verb plus adjective. Okay. Oh, sorry. He is slow. Yeah, he is slow. So he the subject is verb and slow is adjective. Okay. Next structure is subject plus subject plus verb plus adverb. Subject, he is slowly, okay, and he walks fast, okay. She dances beautifully. They run quickly. We work hard, okay. So these are the example of subject plus verb plus adverb. Adverb always describe the verb, okay. So you will learn later about adverb also. Okay, here is the exercise. Okay, find the following sentences in which structures they belong to. For example, here, a man was running. Okay, this is the sentence. Uh, this is in which structures it follows. You have to tell me. Okay, so a man was running here. What is the structure? Subject plus verb. A man is the subject, was running the verb. Okay, good. He was running slowly. What is the subject here? He was running in the verb, and slowly is adverb. So, which is structure? It belongs to subject, verb, adverb. Good. Okay, next one. He was sad. Okay, he the subject was his verb, sad is adjective. So, which is structure? Okay, subject, verb plus adjective, right? And here he saw his friend. He the subject, saw is the verb, his friend is noun. So, which is structure? Okay, subject plus verb plus object. Yes. He became happy. So he the subject became the verb, happy the adjective. So his which is structure? Subject plus verb plus adjective. Okay. He told his story. Okay, he is subject, told is verb, his story is object. Okay, subject verb plus subject. Then both of them laugh. So both of them is subject and laugh is subject plus verb. Okay, thank you so much for this class. I hope you and now you can make some sentences according to the structures. Okay, try to make many more sentences using these structures. Okay.